Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is my week 2 mobile game development review video. This week will be our alpha video. This week we're entailed to create or actually build off of our first week app to add a few more different game commands and code commands from the Sprite Kit in iOS. We were entailed this week to add assets which are being cached to prevent loading during gameplay. And here in my knit with size, I do my add initial sprite and create my basket and add 2 sounds. So that's caching before the game really starts. Really right before the game starts, because the way I have it set up now, it just really starts with the eggs dropping, and then when you move the basket to catch the eggs, it will also give you another sound. But all my assets are preloaded right here in the init with size. The game should contain at least 2 game events. When the game events happen, a sound effect is played. Like I said, when the eggs drop, you'll hear a splash sound like a raindrop dropping. And then when you catch the egg, you'll have like a catch sound that catches the egg. So that should cover my rubric detail for the 2 sounds that are being played for each game event. Contains 2 types of collisions: point to entity and entity. Entity are demonstrated colliding with each other and with a point. Collisions point can be a point on the screen or a touch point. So my collision is from the finger sliding the basket left to right would be my point to entity, and then my entity to entity would be the egg hitting the basket and then being removed and also creating the sound. At least one sprite has the ability to move around the game and via linear interpolation. That will be my eggs. I have them done in my update method with my update time interval, with the time since last update. Will just spawn about every second, every 30th frames. So it should, about every second or so, it should spawn an egg randomly somewhere on the screen. And then code is well formatted and readability and follows conventions. And then comments are liberal and clear, and I've just placed a comment above each method that explains what the method does. So I'm going to go ahead and run my application here and give y'all a quick peek. And you see the eggs drop, and every time an egg drops we get the raindrop sound. And so we can move this to move. We'll catch an egg, it'll disappear, it'll make a catch sound. So now my interpolation is the timer dropping the eggs. And then next week we will further detail or dive into adding a score and HUD to let the user know. And then further on we'll probably add different color eggs for different color scores. But this is the beginning of my alpha version of my app, and I appreciate you watching my video, and have a blessed day.